Get your zen and relax because you have finally found your own private oasis. You will be mesmerized by the views from this special home. Gaze at the stars from your front or back deck or sunbathe by the new above-ground pool. 3 glorious acres surround you, providing natural spaces for gardening, entertaining or animals. This stunning 3/2, 1,830 square foot home has been thoughtfully remodeled from top to bottom. The open-concept living kitchen area offers versatility and warmth while the many windows let light and nature soak in. Design elements include coffered ceilings with recessed lighting, concrete island and custom FP mantle, subway tiles, matching stainless appliances, inlaid tile flooring, etc. This modern gem is so efficient that the owners generated more electricity than they used last year. Say goodbye to expensive utility bills. This super insulated home includes an own 6,250-watt solar system, ultra-efficient LED lighting, new Energy Star windows, a solar-powered attic fan and much more. Country setting but only minutes from town. Call now. Open house at April 21st from 1:15 to 3:30.